Good morning. So today we are going to start the sum of chapter 1 introductions to partnership. आज हमें एक न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करते हैं. First we see the question. Riya, Dilip and Kirtan are the partners of a partnership firm. In partners business में. The share of Kirtan is 1/5 of share of Dilip. And share of Riya is double to the share of Kirtan. Determine the amount of profit of each partner if the profit of the firm at the end of the year was rupees 1,92,000. Means business का प्रॉफिट दिया है 1,92,000. उसमें से हमें तीनों का प्रॉफिट अलग करना है. तीन यानी कि रिया, दिलीप एंड कीर्तन. So once more we read questions in a small brackets so you get idea how to make the improper way solution. Riya, Dilip and Kirtan are the partners of the partner firm as usual. Now see properly. The share of Kirtan is 1/5 share of Dilip. अब जो कीर्तन का share है 1/5 है दिलीप के कंपेयर में. तो first we assume or let according to let the share of Dilip profit is 1 rupees. Suppose Dilip का profit 1 rupees है. Therefore the share of Kiran is 1/5 of Dilip. Dilip का कितना है 1/5 है. Means 1/5 of 1 equal to 1/5. When you multiply 1/5 into 1 you will answer 1/5. आगे. And the share of Riya is double to the share of Kirtan. जो रिया का प्रॉफिट है वो कीर्तन से डबल है. Therefore the share of Riya is double the share of Kirtan. तो कीर्तन का कितना पार्ट है? कीर्तन का पार्ट है 1/5 into 2 यानी कि डबल. Get answer 2 1s are 2 so it's 2/5. Therefore the profit proportion is Riya, Dilip and Kirtan. Riya you get 2/5. Dilip you get 1/1. Dilip and Kirtan you get 1/5. To find any ratio, you need to find all the base should be same. Here is the 5 and here is the 5 and here is the 1. So multiply 1 by 5. So 2 as it is, 1 into 5 become 5 and 1 as it is. So you get the new ratio 2:5:1. Now we divide the profit among three partners in the ratio of the 2:5:1. Profit distribution is प्रॉफिट ऑफ द रिया का प्रॉफिट कितना होगा? तो बिजनेस का प्रॉफिट कितना था? कुल 1,92,000 into the portion of रिया is 2/8. 2 plus 5 plus 1 become the 8 so 2/8. When you cancel the term you get last answer 48,000. Same way profit of Dilip equal to profit is 1,92,000 into ratio of Dilip is 5/8. So 5/8 when you cancel it out you get last 1,20,000. And the same way profit of Kiran profit 1,92,000 and the ratio of Kiran is 1/8. So multiply 1/8 you get last answer 24,000. Here your sum is over. Meaning Hemant and Rasik have distributed the profit of the firm of rupees 1,89,000 in equal proportion. Instead of distribution it in the ratio of 1:2:4 proportions. To rectify this mistake, rectify means the correct है. What treatment will be given to the capital account? तो क्या इसकी इफेक्ट देंगे capital account? So first we need to chart particular between Hemant and Rasik. अब सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया था कि मिलिंद, हेमंत एंड रसिक ने प्रॉफिट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया है of 1,89,000 in equal proportions by okay the first divide correct distributions of profit in the proportion of 1:2:4 is the right and is the incorrect. तो पहले प्रॉफिट को राइट रेशियो में डिवाइड करना है. राइट रेशियो इज 1:2:4 and incorrect ratio is 1:1:1 and equal proportions. So if we divide 1,89,000 the ratio 1:2:4, you get million 27,000, Hammond 54,000 and Rasik 1,08,000. ये करेक्ट प्रोपोर्शंस दिया है, इसलिए हमने आगे प्लस की साइन लगाई है. प्लस मींस राइट. Incorrect distributions of profit in proportion 1:1:1 यानी equal proportions. अब सेम प्रॉफिट को हम डिवाइड करने जा रहे हैं among three partners in incorrect proportions. So 63, 63 and 63. Now we subtract 27 minus 63, you get answer minus 36,000 with the help of math sign rule. Plus minus minus and put in a big figure. 63 is bigger, minus we get answer negative. Here 54 minus 63, we get answer minus 9,000. 1,08,000 minus 63,000, you get plus 45,000. From this chart, we get the idea. Million get 46,000 more profit, Hammond get 9,000 more profit, and Rasik get 45,000 less profit. So what to do for this entry? Now you rectify this entry. Millions capital account debit 36,000, जो माइनस है उसको डेबिट करना है. Hammond's capital account debit 9,000 यहाँ दिया है. To Rasik capital account 45,000. If you want to tally, you get the tally also. 46 plus 9 will become 45,000 only. Here your problem is